Grounds for appeal are the reasons why a party seeks to challenge a court decision or judgment. In order to successfully appeal a decision, a party must identify and articulate specific grounds for appeal that are supported by the law and the evidence. Errors of law. Errors of law occur when a court applies the wrong law or interprets the law incorrectly. Common examples of errors of law include misinterpretation of a statute. A court may misinterpret a statute or regulation, leading to an incorrect application of the law. Failure to apply a relevant statute. A court may fail to apply a relevant statute or regulation, leading to an incorrect decision. Incorrect application of a legal principle. A court may incorrectly apply a legal principle or doctrine, leading to an incorrect decision. Failure to consider a relevant case. A court may fail to consider a relevant case or precedent, leading to an incorrect decision. Errors of fact. Errors of fact occur when a court makes a finding of fact that is not supported by the evidence. Common examples of errors of fact include inconsistent findings. A court may make inconsistent findings of fact, leading to an incorrect decision. Lack of evidence. A court may make a finding of fact without sufficient evidence to support it. Incorrect weight given to evidence. A court may give too much or too little weight to certain evidence, leading to an incorrect decision. Failure to consider. Relevant evidence. A court may fail to consider relevant evidence, leading to an incorrect decision. Procedural errors. Procedural errors occur when a court fails to follow the rules of procedure or makes a decision that is procedurally flawed. Common examples of procedural errors include failure to provide notice. A court may fail to provide notice to a party of a hearing or proceeding. Failure to allow a party to participate. A court may fail to allow a party to participate in a hearing or proceeding. Failure to consider a motion. A court may fail to consider a motion or objection. Failure to enter a judgment. A court may fail to enter a judgment or order. Bias or prejudice. Bias or prejudice occurs when a court decision is influenced by personal opinions or biases rather than the law and evidence. Common examples of bias or prejudice include judicial bias. A judge may have a personal bias or prejudice that influences their decision. Racial or ethnic bias. A court may display racial or ethnic bias in its decision-making. Sexual orientation. Bias. A court may display bias against a party based on their sexual orientation. Religious bias. A court may display bias against a party based on their religion. Other grounds for appeal. Other grounds for appeal may include lack of jurisdiction. A court may lack jurisdiction to hear a case or make a decision. Lack of venue. A court may lack venue to hear a case or make a decision. Failure to state a claim. A party may fail to state a claim or cause of action. Failure to provide relief. A court may fail to provide relief to a party.